To draw a cycle, you are to use your compass to take the required radius from your ruler this way. Then you are to now draw your cycle. Now draw a horizontal line passing through the center of your cycle. You can do so using your ruler supported by your T-square. Also draw a vertical line passing through the center of your cycle. You can do so with your set square supported by your T-square. In this video, I will be showing you how to inscribe a square in a cycle. After drawing the required cycle and dividing it into 4 equal parts, now label the point where lines of division intersect the circumference of the cycle. Now, to produce your square, draw lines this way. The square has been inscribed in the cycle successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.